Well, good morning, friends. We've got a pretty big day on our hands here in Knoxville, Tennessee. It's about 7 a.m. and we're just getting up, getting ready, about to head to breakfast. Our delivery is at 1:30 today, so we'll have some time in the morning at the Vision Center to go through simulator training, getting used to the new avionics on the plane. So now I'm about to head to breakfast, and then we'll head over to the Vision Center and we'll keep you updated throughout the day. So we'll look forward to it. Here's a video of the lodge Cirrus accommodated us in. It's called the RT Lodge. It was just outside of Knoxville in a small city called Maryville. This was about 7 minutes away from the Vision Center. Here's just one of the many examples of some of the awesome food that Cirrus kept us fed with the whole time we were in their care. We then loaded up in one of the infamous Cirrus Audis and headed to the Vision Center. Once we got to the Vision Center, we went inside and got the schedule for the day. This is where Cirrus houses their simulator bays as well as the Cirrus store. We loaded up in this golf cart and headed over to what's called the Tyson Center. This is an office building right next to the Vision Center where most of the Cirrus employees have offices. We headed over here to jump on the Cirrus desktop simulators, which is where we spent the morning of our delivery. So this is pretty cool here. We got the G3000 set up in the SR, so you can kind of go through and it's all the real parts. So we're going through each of these screens. So after we finish going through on the screens here, the new G3000s, they call it hot benching. So we'll finish up in here, learn the new avionics, and then we'll take delivery this afternoon. So we'll do a lunch, and then our delivery will be at 1:30. So we'll do an acceptance flight, make sure there's no quirks or anything wrong with the plane, because that can be common with some of these newer planes. And then after that, that'll be today. Tomorrow we'll do more flying in the new plane, and then that'll be it. So stay tuned for lunch and then the delivery this afternoon. So here's some more of that awesome food Cirrus kept us fed with for lunch, and then we checked out the Vision Jet simulator bay. This is the only place in the world where you can get typed for a Vision Jet, and they have 2 full motion simulators here in Knoxville. So we're in the Cirrus lunchtime lull, I like to call it, and it's the 15 minutes between scheduled activities. So for us, we just finished lunch, and then now we're about to head down and actually accept the plane and do the acceptance flight and the delivery. So I think they intentionally leave about 15 minutes in the scheduled activities just for you to dramatically anticipate the delivery and seeing the new plane. But we're getting pretty excited here, so we're about to head down and the team's getting it ready right now. So back again in the infamous Cirrus Audis, we're heading down to the delivery hangar with our acceptance pilot. So here we go. A lot of new features here, guys. A whole lot of new things going on. Lose some switches. So here's the coolest part right here. Equipped with safe return auto land. This is phenomenal. What do we think, Charlie?
New sticker, look at that. Look at that. Same thing as Vision Jet has.
They're one and the same.
I haven't seen that. Where's mounted at? Didn't we get in the way, but I haven't seen this one.
Alright, so this thing is loaded with new features. So we've got, obviously starting with the whole interior redesign, and most importantly, our safe return auto land. But just looking over, I mean, this is naturally aspirated, so we don't have any of the feaky stuff. Keyless, all the cup holders, the yoke. This is like the Vision Jet down here. Fuel selector, even into the interior compartment here. Just phenomenal. So I'm excited to share a lot of these features with y'all. It's going to be cool to unpack a lot of them as we move forward into different flights. So stay tuned for those. So then on the other side here, they give us a carpet here. Some new headsets.